Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'll be talking about some of the Spigen accessories that I have here for my Pixel 10 Pro. Now, the best thing about this phone is that it comes with Pixel Snap. So Pixel Snap is basically MagSafe for Android phones. So there you go. Now you can connect all these magnetic accessories to this phone and use it just like an iPhone. So really loving that new update with this Pixel phone. So that's one, and then I've got this another one here, which is an SSD. So you can connect SSDs and then connect them with your phone and increase the storage. And then I've got this wallet here, and you can connect all these different sorts of accessories with your phones now. Now also depends on what kind of magnets are in these accessories. This one definitely has a weaker one, so doesn't connect all that well. But anyways, let's start with some of the Spigen accessories. And I've got this uh, MagFit case for this phone from Spigen. Really excited to use that. But let's start with the screen protector first. So Spigen basically sells 2 pack of this glass TR Easy Fit screen protector. So in this box, you will get 2 screen protectors and everything you need to apply them. So that is something that I really like. And then you've got this tool here that you can use to remove any bubbles. Now, by the way, this video is not sponsored by Spigen. I bought all of this with my own money. So just a fan of Spigen. That's it. So we have got 2 screen protectors and then some instructions on how to do it. Comes with these dust removal stickers and this cleaning wipe, and then we have some microfiber cloth to clean the screen. Let's start with this. Clean the display with the cleaning wipe. Next, we have to clean it with the microfiber cloth. And now in the next step, you just need to make sure that there is no dust on the display. And if there is, you can just use these dust removal stickers to remove them. And then you have to remove the sticker from the back of the screen protector, align it with the phone, and then press in the middle and then remove the sticker. And that's pretty much it. Remove the panel and then remove the top plastic layer and you're good to go. And if you have any bubbles, you can remove them using this thing here that they provide and then just edge out any bubbles of the display. It's very simple and straightforward and easy to use. And there you go. Perfect installation. Fingerprint works absolutely fine. And this is actually the installation pad. So you can just put your phone on this and then do the whole thing, which I didn't do because I didn't know. But anyways, that's really nice. So Spigen gives you everything you need to put on your screen protector. Now let's move on to the second accessory, which is the liquid air case, and it is also MagFit enabled. So let's open this up. There we go. And that is the case. Really like it. So here you can see that we have this MagFit sign. So magnetic case for Google, MagFit, and then the patent number and all that stuff. Let's put it on. So there you go. Easy to put on. And that is the phone. Very slim, very simple, and provides good protection. We have these grip marks at the edges, and you can actually hold the device really firmly with this. There is this pattern at the back which provides grip. There is this pattern on the side which provides grip. The buttons are also easy to press, as you can see. And then fingerprint works fine. And here you can see that the camera bump is also protected because the edges are slightly raised as compared to the camera bump. At the back and at the front, we have a similar story. The edges are slightly raised as compared to the display. So this protects it like this or like this, which is great. Now I really like this case because it supports MagFit or Pixel Snap, whatever it is that you want to say. This one is really strong. So the magnets are really strong. It's not going anywhere. Really like that. This is very, very assuring. So you can use it like this and you will be fine. Your phone isn't going to go anywhere. So that's the first accessory. Then we have this wallet. Now this one has a problem. It doesn't attach as firmly as I would like it to. And the only reason I can think of is that the magnets inside this wallet are not good enough, because everything else connects just fine. There is the SSD, connects absolutely fine and has a very firm connection as well. So there is that. So that is the Spigen liquid air case for Pixel 10 Pro. It is very slim even with the case on. And because the screen protector and the case are both from Spigen, so they're compatible with each other, which is also the reason why I went with the Spigen screen protector and the Spigen case, because I didn't want any problems with the case or with the screen protector. So that's about it from this video, guys. These were the Spigen screen protector and the liquid air case for Pixel 10 Pro. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.